Let me show you a use case for being able to close tabs. I'm in an application now where I have three permanent tabs, and if I go to the customer tab to select one, I'm showing other information. I do have pop-ups on this window if I need other information, so I could drill down in different places, but that's not the important part. I'm now on James Bond, so if I select to see his quotes, it brings up another tab with his quotes out here. By the way, a small aside, it would be nice to be able to name the tab. And I'm showing some information up here, who's the customer I selected. If I select one of the line items, I see more information, but here's the important part. On the top, I have a quick search. So if I want to sell this person some lumber and I want 1x6, a pop-up comes up. This actually, over here, he doesn't have any last orders, but this is information based on this customer, James Bond. When I go to hit the plus, you'll notice it adds it to the window behind. If you look over here, you'll see it's being added. So I'm adding to James Bond's quote. However, there's nothing to stop me from going back to customers, going to 123 Lumber, quoting them. Now a new tab opened. I didn't have the option to close the old one. I currently have 123 Lumber in context. So if I do a search now, this is fine. It's going to go to 123 Lumber because that's the last one I selected. But if I click back on this tab, I'm now looking at James Bond, but the system still thinks I have 123 Lumber, and anything I'm doing up in the menu bar, it's clueless whether I'm on this tab or this tab. That's why I'd like to be able to close tabs. When I selected a new customer, if I close tabs, I could keep my end user from doing this. And I have other options here also, other search options and things that are based on the customer here, but I'm obviously not selecting them in line. Hopefully that helped explain why my use case, why I need to be able to control the tabs, being able to close them.